Hi guys, this video is for eyeliner application. Don't matter our eye shape. So whatever you like to use, this is just a liquid liner, black eyeliner. But the idea is that you look up so your eyes are slit open and angle your brush rather than trying to apply it just with the tip. So if you go with a straight line, just a little bit out like that, then you can just make a triangle from bringing the top up, and most of our liner is done. So you can finish just by dabbing it lightly, aim for the lash line, fill it in, extend it a little more if you like. The other tip that I have is just use a pencil liner for us that our eye is switching too much and you need to hold it. Just use a little bit of eyeliner, pencil eyeliner. It's very easy just to mark the ends, and then you can go with your liquid eyeliner on top. But it's always easy to put that little dot in there and extend it a little up or a little bit to the side, the way of your liking. So I hope this will help you. Just practice.